in today's video, we're going to see how you can form an LLC in under 5 minutes in Texas. So, sometimes you need to fill some detailed forms and fill out a lot of information if you're going for an LLC. But in this video, we're making the process simple and we're going to use an online LLC generator in order to do the process. Now, the name of that online LLC generator is Busy, as you can see right here. And you can simply search Busy LLC or Busy Free LLC if you want to get an LLC from here. They also offer a free package plus state fees, and they offer other packages as well. So let's get right into it. Now, the first step will be choosing the entity type, which is, of course, LLC, and you'll choose the state of Texas from here. If you want to do this for any other state, you'll just choose that. But this is specific for Texas. Now, here they have three packages: the basic, the standard, and the premium package. Now, the basic package is $0, but they charge a $300 state fee. So just make sure you remember that. For standard, it's $199 plus $300 state fee. And for premium, it's $299 plus $300 state fee. As you can see right here, you can add some of these extra costs as well if you want 2 days filing time instead of 4 weeks for $50, business contract templates for $50, EIN business tax number for $70. You can see right here. These are everything that each package offers with the ticks. As you can see, I'd honestly recommend you either the standard package or the basic package. So let's get started. We're going to go with the basic package. Your first step would be registering your LLC name and your designator. Designator will be LLC. Here you can write your LLC name and it will show up like this. Here is one of those optional costs. If you want 2 business days filing time, you can select this for $50. Otherwise, you can do a 4 weeks filing time for free. Now you're going to be adding your personal details, which includes your first name, last name, email, and phone number. Now, after providing this information, you'll have an option to add your company address information. Also, one thing that I'd like to mention out right here is that you can see this top right phone number. This leads to the customer service of Busy, and their customer service is excellent. As you can see, you can contact this phone number whenever you need to. And if you have any inquiry regarding anything, they'll be free to answer that. Now you can either use a professional business address and you can also use your own address. So that depends on you. If you want to use your professional business address, you'll have to pay $29 per month and you can cancel it anytime. If you want to use your own address, you'll just select this option. Now, after that, it'll try to redirect you again to the premium package where they're showing you all the things they offer in their premium package. Now, if you want to use this, you can do that. You can get the limited time offer. If not, then you can just press on no thanks. Now here you will provide members information for your LLC. If you the only member, you can press on 1. If you have more members, you can, go accordingly with this. And of course, right here, if you've selected 1, you'll add your details. Now, another thing is that Busy has a registered agent information service where you can register it as an agent free for 1 year, since Texas requires an LLC to appoint a registered agent. If you want to act as your own registered agent, you can select this option. Now here you can select if you want Busy to obtain your EIN electronically for $70 or not. Then you just need to fill a couple of prompts. You'll just say, yes, I'm interested. Now, if you want electronic delivery, you'll go for this. If you want FedEx Express, you'll go for this, but you have to pay an extra $25. If you want tax strategy or a free consultation, you'll choose one of these options. That depends on you. From here, you'll fill this as well. After reading this, business license and permits, if you want to mail the application, that costs $99. If not, if you want to do the work yourself, you just rest on the no thanks option. Now, after that, they'll give you an order summary page, and in the end, they'll ask you to fill in your billing information. And after you fill in your billing information, your process will be complete. And when you receive an email, that means that your LLC has been registered. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.